Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever posted an Instagram story and realized that it was also automatically shared to Facebook, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to disable the feature that automatically shares your Instagram stories to Facebook. If you prefer to keep your content separate, this quick tutorial will help you do just that. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Step 2. Once you're in, tap on Your Story at the top left corner of your screen. This will open up your Instagram stories. Step 3. At the top right, you'll see a gear icon. Tap on this icon to access your Instagram story settings. Step 4. Next, tap on Story to open the story-specific settings where you can customize your story sharing preferences. Step 5. Scroll down until you see the option labeled Share Your Story to Facebook. Simply toggle this option off to disable automatic sharing of your Instagram stories to Facebook. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the feature that automatically shares your Instagram stories to Facebook. Now, your stories will only appear on Instagram unless you manually share them to Facebook. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.